Welcome to Mile High Living. I'm Sam Boyd. Thanks for joining us today. Colorado's own Appliance Factory in Mattress Kingdom is the nation's largest discount appliance and mattress retailer. And with those hot temps we're having outside, there are some hot buys happening right now. Nate Nichols is here again to talk about their unbeatable Labor Day sale. Great to have you on the show.
Hey, thanks for having us. We're excited about being here and excited about Labor Day.
Oh my gosh.
And the amazing sales that we have going on right now. It's exciting times.
Yeah, well, what ways, how are you guys helping people save money, especially on these appliances?
First, we have more appliances than the big box stores do, and we guarantee to be a better price than they have. And so we have Labor Day going on right now. One way we're able to save customers money is we have thousands of special buy appliances. And anytime there's a supply chain gridlock with the manufacturer, we're able to bring those in from the manufacturer into our warehouse here locally at a huge discount, huge savings, pass that savings on to the consumer. They're brand new pieces. They have the full warranty. They're still in a box. A great example of this is we have a 4-piece Frigidaire kitchen package, all 4 pieces right now. If you go out to the big box stores, you're going to pay $2,500 for this package. Well, if your viewers mention the keyword Labor Day, they have to mention that keyword, Labor Day. All right, remember that word. They're going to save $700, and after rebates, they get this entire package for the kitchen for only $17.99.
Wow, that's a huge savings,
Huge.
And all you got to do is say Labor Day.
Yes, Labor Day, absolutely.
I love that. What other ways are you helping customers save?
Yeah, another way we're saving customers money is we have thousands of uncrated or open box appliances, and so those are brand new pieces. The way we get those is during shipping, boxes get torn or damaged. Manufacturers don't want to mess around with it, so we're able to bring those pieces into our warehouse. We unbox them, make sure they're in new condition, so they're brand new. They have the full manufacturer's warranty, and customers are saving 30 to 60% on those appliances.
Wow.
A great example of this is we have a Whirlpool French door refrigerator. Again, if you go out and buy this right now at the big box stores, you're paying $16.99. Again, mention that keyword, Labor Day. You're going to save $700, and that refrigerator is only $9.99. It's an exclusive deal. We have really limited quantities on those, so you definitely want to hurry in for that deal.
Yeah, and I gotta say, the French door,
Yeah.
man, is that just, it's so beautiful,
Yes.
and it just feels like it's so much easier to use,
Absolutely.
too, especially depending on what your space is like. Let's move on to some other special buys, because you guys aren't stopping right there.
We're not. Yeah, so we just got a couple truckloads of these Whirlpool washers and dryers. So same thing, it was a special buy. They had a bunch of overstock, so we were able to bring those into our warehouse. And if you go out and buy this set right now, it's a Whirlpool washer and dryer, both of them. It's $17.76 at the big box stores. Again, you're going to save a ton of money. You can get that set for only $10.49. Again, limited quantities on those, and they have to mention that keyword, Labor Day.
Labor Day.
Yes.
That's the key to keep in mind.
Yes.
We can't forget that you guys have the mattresses,
Yes.
and you have some incredible deals
Yep.
as well on Purple mattresses.
We do, yeah. It's probably one of the best deals we've had in years. If you've not experienced laying on a Purple mattress, it's a very unique experience.
Right.
You want to come into one of the stores, try this thing out. It's like none other out there. And we just bought several truckloads of these Purple mattresses. They're 50% off right now.
Wow.
Huge savings. They're limited offer as well on those until we run out. And if the Purple is not quite the right fit for a customer, they can work with one of our sleep experts at a store. And we have all the other brands too that have Labor Day sales going on right now, like Tempur-Pedic and Beauty Rest. New to our family, we have Avocado, Dream Cloud, Casper. Huge savings for Labor Day.
So fantastic, and so many options to choose from. What can people expect when they walk into your guys' stores? Because you have so many around the metro area.
We do, yeah. More than likely there's a store near you, right? But if somebody walks into our store, they're going to get taken care of from start to finish. One of our sleep experts, one of our appliance experts is going to work from start to finish. They're going to take care of that customer. We're so proud of our reviews. We have almost a 5-star rating with Google right now. We're A+ rated by the Better Business Bureau. So people are going to get taken care of from start to finish. And if people need appliances or mattresses like right now, we have next day and same day delivery available.
Love that option, because that's always the thing that, you know, as a consumer, you're like, oh, I want to get the deal. I want to get the savings. Now what do I do?
Absolutely.
How do I get it in my house? So that's great to know. Last, before we run out of time, why do you think that so many folks elect to shop with you guys and bypass those big box stores?
Sure, absolutely. Well, again, it's a live human that can actually talk to you. It's not the big box experience, right? They can come in, they'll work with us, and then just incredible savings that we covered here with special buys, open box deals, just awesome savings.
Yeah, and almost 40 years you guys are celebrating now, right?
Yeah, been around for a long time.
Oh my gosh,
Yes.
taking care of all of our folks here in the Denver metro area and across the state of Colorado.
Yeah.
Wonderful to talk with you as
Yeah,
always, Nate.
thanks for having us.
Yeah, and Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom's Labor Day sale, it's going on now. Don't miss it. Save up to 40 to 70% off washers and dryers, kitchen appliances, and mattresses. Remember to mention those words, Labor Day, that's the key, and you'll get the guaranteed lowest prices. Visit appliancefactory.com for more information and to find a store nearest you. They paid for this segment. Stay with us.